Today we are going to make carrot green lentil vermicelli pasta. A very nutritious and great breakfast diet recipe. The ingredients are carrot 100 grams, today we are going to make carrot green lentil vermicelli pasta. The ingredients are carrot 50 grams, green lentil 50 grams, mint leaves, coriander leaves, garam masala, mixture of spices, turmeric powder, and salt. In case you want it to be a little spicy, you can take 2 green chilies. If spice is not needed, you can avoid that. Heat the frying pan and pour in 2 cups of water. Put in the green lentil. And let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Put in the carrot, the garam masala and turmeric powder and salt into this. And pour in 2 cups of water. And let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Mix the whole thing well. After 5 minutes, add 50 grams of vermicelli. And mix well. The vermicelli that we have added is vermicelli pasta and is made of wheat. Let this cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until all the water has evaporated. Scientific studies in England have shown that vermicelli, when taken with foods with low glycemic index, aids in weight loss. Not just vermicelli pasta, but any other pasta can be used. Pour in 2 spoons of lime juice. into the mixture. And mix well. In case you want a spicy vermicelli pasta, you can add green chili or black pepper powder. Add mint leaves and coriander leaves. And mix. Now the carrot green lentil vermicelli is nearly done and can be taken off the flame and served. This is a very easy to make and extremely delicious breakfast diet recipe. This is the final carrot green gram vermicelli pasta. A very easy to make and delicious recipe. What we have given here can serve 2 people. I have used vermicelli pasta as this is readily available here. This can be done with macaroni or spaghetti or any other pasta. Please do not use rice vermicelli as the calories in that is more. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share and press the notification button.